What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Right now I am actually in New York City for Slime Expo New York City, and I'm really excited. We're actually headed to the event right now. Hopefully you can see like a difference in quality with this vlog, because I'm actually vlogging on my big camera today because I lost a screw in my small camera, so that one's out of commission for right now. So we are working with what we got, and it's really heavy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. But let's go to the event center. Right now my slime shop does have slime in it, and they are all $10 for 8 ounces. So if you want to go ahead and snatch some slime, make sure you follow the link down below in the description box, or head over to www.unicornslime.com. Alright, y'all, we made it. We're here. We're setting up right now. If you can tell. Let me spin this camera around here. Slimes by Kit Kat is packaging up the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crazy Shakes. They look really cute. Oh, look, here's one. So it has the clay pieces, the slime. It has a 2-ounce little slime jar here of cloud slime for the whip topping. And then it has some caramel drizzle jelly slime for y'all. So, just getting that set up. And then also my mom's working on the slime sundae tent. Say hi, Mom. Mother. Hi.
Hi.
And Grandma, being Grandma.
What did you say?
Alright, so all the slime is on our back table here so that we can reach easily and give them to y'all over here on this side. So we have moon cheese, cinnamon toast crunch crazy shake, dragon fruit lemonade, cotton candy fruit loops, Dorito Locos tacos, macaron cream that are actually in these macaron containers. So adorable. I love this one a lot. Wild berry yogurt, lollipop crispies, Baja Blast, mud mask, and Chanel. And of course the big three come with their own wristbands, so that's cool too. And this is how the front of our booth is looking here. Super adorable, I love it. So we have the slime sundae bar over here with our little tent. We have our aprons here. We sell different kinds of aprons if you didn't know. And we have, of course, the slime ice cream. We have the syrups over here. All the toppings and charms you can add to your slime. We have our clay cookies if you want to make a ice cream sandwich with your sundae. And we have all the slimes that we're selling over here. Pop sockets, racket pens, all the things. So beautiful.
She said she could.
And there's like a lot of it.
Whoever orders a coffee.
So we are pretty much set up, and we're just waiting for VIP to start. It's supposed to start in probably like an hour or so. So we're just kind of chilling here, saying hi to friends and stuff before we start selling. Okay, so I just want to like take all of them. Can I?
Wait, we gotta.
Can I just like have them all? Look at this, y'all. You can even decorate your slime. Super cool. Just got some Mr. Bubbles, y'all. Look at all the stuff they have. That's insane. All this Elmer's glue.
Oh my gosh, JosephAnthonii.
So this is the Elmer's booth right here. All the glue is over here. And then they have a station for you to actually make all the slime here. So all of the magical liquid is here to activate your slime. Look at this line, y'all. This line is insane. It goes on for a while. So cool.
Joe, you're our favorite. Thank you.
Hi, Joe. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Joe.
sure.
Yeah, girl, get in there. Go, go, go. Hurry up, girl. 1, 2. Very cool.
Awesome.
Thank
I'll
you.
see y'all inside. Okay, so let's go.
Where did they get? They watch your videos all the time, and they brought a gift for your dog.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, for sure. I'll see y'all soon. Sorry. Yeah, for sure. Hi.
I got a picture of you. Yeah.
Awesome. We'll see y'all soon. Thank you. Yeah, for sure. Hi. Can you get a group picture? Okay. Hi. Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course.
Just so you know, she says you're her favorite.
Oh, thank you. That's awesome. Thank y'all.
See y'all inside.
Bye.
Could you please? Whose birthday? Your birthday. Oh, your birthday. Happy birthday. How old are you? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Okay, where do you want me to start? Anywhere? Okay. Hey. This is the first Sunday today, right? Or... So cool. Oh, that looks so adorable.
And you can grab a Smoothie as well. And I'm going to tap on it.
So cute.
Got this.
I've never been a scooper before. Let's give you a little more to zoom it out. Now you get to add your toppings and stuff on there. Alright y'all, it's been kind of crazy and it's not even time for general admission to come in yet. I think we still have like 20 minutes or so. I'm literally sweating like crazy, so I apologize in advance, but I'm having so much fun already. Hey y'all, we are off to do a Q&A.
I feel like I watched this show.
That's so funny. Alright, so I just finished a meet and greet session right now with Nicolette from Glitter Slimes, Brandon from Piano Slime Shop, and also Marjorie from Rainbow Playmaker. And we had so much fun, and there's still people at my booth. It's so much fun, and we're just sweating but having fun. Everyone here making slime at Elmer's booth. Alrighty y'all, so it looks like we're about an hour into the show, into Slime Expo, and Chanel's almost sold out. This is all we have left for today. I only saved 20 of these for tomorrow. And I had to give me some boba. Okay, you already know I had to snatch these slimes from KJP Slime. I've been wanting this avocado toast one and the stapler jello for so long. First of all, this color though is gorgeous. I love it so much. It's my favorite. So the Sundaes for day one are pretty much done though. There's only a little bit left.
You want that one? Sure. Okay. Gonna take one of those? Which one?
Hi! Hi! That's my vlog camera. So it's 2 o'clock right now. We still have 3 more hours for the event, and we're actually sold out of Chanel already, and we're sold out of the ice cream for Slime Sundaes, and we're sold out of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crazy Shake. So tomorrow's gonna be insane. Oh, we're sold out of macarons? No way. Okay, and the macarons are sold out too, so that's pretty cool. By the way, the air conditioner finally kicked on, so I'm not as sweaty, just a little bit, just FYI. Say hi!
My niece from North Carolina. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Alright, so this is all we have left over from Slime Expo New York City Day 1. We're about to cover it all up and leave to go eat some dinner. And we will resume tomorrow morning.
Joseph, who do you have today?
I have my little baby Holden. He wanted to come hang out with us here at Slime Expo.
Hi, Holden.
Say hi to you.
Holden meeting fans. Slimes by Kit Kat. How are we feeling?
Dead. I can't.
Hi, Holden.
Where's Cammy? Where's Cammy?
And that's because all the ceiling fans are off.
You're literally the only
Hi, my name's Rebecca from New York, and this is my first time at a slime convention. My Instagram is cc_slime studio, and I have a gift for you.
Thank you. We're so excited to meet you, Joseph.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Shay from CHE 7 Squad. No, CHE Squad.
So cute.
How was yesterday?
Alright, so this is pretty much all we have left from Slime Expo. So I'm gonna have a crazy Cyber Monday sale in July. It's gonna be so cool. Alright, so I am just now noticing that I didn't film an outro for this vlog. I'm so sorry about that, but I had such a blast at Slime Expo New York City 2. It was so much fun. Thank you to everybody who came out. Thank you to Claudia and the team. I love y'all so much. I really had fun and we did so well, so thank you. That was pretty much it for the vlog, so thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!